Since our 1919 beginning, KT Tools has been driven by innovation. From our first specialty tool, the Model T valve spring lifter, to our latest ratcheting puller, we've built our reputation with tools that make tough jobs easy. That's why we are the first choice for thousands of automotive technicians worldwide. Use this tool for removal and installation of serpentine belts. Ergonomic spring-loaded handle activates grabber fingers that make removal or belt routing a breeze. Top reviews from the United States. Very helpful to replace serpentine belts. This tool works great. I initially got a bad one, but I contacted the seller and they were very quick to send me a replacement. The tool helps replace serpentine belts on just about any engine, but is especially useful on FWD models where the engine is facing to the right. This allows you to get a grip on the belt and place it over pulleys where your hands wouldn't fit. I definitely recommend this tool.